Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's K-E-S-H-W-A-N-I, Keshwani. I have been solving math problems from GMAT out of this book, the GMAT Review, the official guide. You must have this book if you're preparing for GMAT, and if you don't have one, buy one immediately. Go to mba.com and you can buy it from there. The problem that I'm about to solve appears on page number 162. Number 82, problem solving 82. If after watching the clip you find that it is helpful and if you wish to purchase the DVDs, set of DVDs that I have put together, which contain the solutions to all the math problems, excuse me, there are 250 problem solving questions and 150 data sufficiency questions. And if you practice through those 400 questions, you'll find you'll be ready for the exam. If you wish to purchase those DVDs, send me an email. Go to my website at prep4gmat.com. Let's solve the problem. Number 82. Machine A produces the bolt at the uniform rate of 120 every 40 seconds. So I'm going to make a note here. A makes 120 bolts every 40 seconds, and B produces bolt at the rate of 100 every 20 seconds. So let me write in a different color. Excuse me. B makes, let me write this a little bit lower. B makes 100 every 20 seconds. What is the question asking? If the two machines run simultaneously, how many seconds will it take them to produce a total of 200 bolts? All right. Total of 200 bolts. Well, let's first realize that this guy is making 100 bolts in 20 seconds. This guy is making 120 bolts in 40 seconds. So I'm going to make this thing the same as this guy. So let's change that to 20 seconds. And let's just change this 120 into a 60. So now machine A, we know, makes 60 bolts every 20 seconds, and machine B makes 100 bolts every 20 seconds. So we have altogether 160 bolts. So here are my bolts. Here are the seconds. And we have 160 bolts every 20 seconds. And we want to make 200 bolts. Well, if we are taking 20 seconds to make 160 bolts, 200 bolts should take just a little over 20 seconds. Let's see what the answer choices are. A, B, C, D, E, 22, 25, 28, 32, and 56. You see, there are always one or two answer choices which are simply ridiculous. You should cross them out right away. You should just not look at them because they are silly. They are idiotic. If two machines together, okay, let me start again. We are told that A makes 120 every 40 seconds, and we are told that B makes 100 every 20 seconds. Because this is 20 seconds, I converted this into 20 seconds as well, so that we can compare the two machines together. So if it makes 120 every 40 seconds, it must make 60 every 20 seconds. So now we know that altogether they make 60 plus 100, 160 units every 20 seconds. We are asked to produce 200 bolts. 200 bolts should take a little over 20 seconds. It's not going to take an hour. It's also not going to take half an hour. Answer has got to be one of those three answer choices. It's got to be one of those three. So let's solve it. Cross multiply. Cross multiply here. 160x equals 20 times 200, and leave it like that. Don't do anything with it. And divide both sides by 160. And that's your answer. Let's see what happens. It's a very simple thing. Don't multiply everything. People have a tendency of multiplying everything on the top and then dividing that huge number by 160. Don't do that. Chop, chop, chop. That's what I believe in. 0 goes out. 16 goes into 4 times. And this is 20 right here. That's going to do 5 times. And this 4 again will go into 25 times. Very good. 25 is the answer. That's it. As I told you, it's going to be just a little over 20 seconds, and I had the gut feeling that even 28 is too high. It's too close to half an hour. If you're producing 160 units in 20 seconds, just because you add 40 more units, it's not going to take you that much long. As a matter of fact, I just thought of a quicker way also. It's 160 units in 20 seconds. We need 40 more, which is 1/4 of that. So we need 5 more seconds. Voila, I don't know why I didn't see it before. We know that we are producing 160 units in 20 seconds. We need to make 200 units, which is only 40 more. 40 is 1/4 of that. So we need 1/4 of that amount. 5 more seconds, 25 seconds right here. Oh, I wish I had seen this method before. We don't have to do any of this mumbo jumbo. Well, we have to do this much work, but we don't do. This is the classical work. This part here is all of this is classical work. This is what I call the quick and dirty way. 160 in 20 seconds, we need 40 more. 40 is 1/4 of that. So we need 1/4 of that amount more, which is 5 seconds. Altogether 25 seconds. I hope you found this helpful. And as I said before, if you wish to purchase the DVDs which contain the solutions to all the math problems, send me an email. Or if you wish to hire my services for personal private tutoring, I am located in the state of Connecticut. Send me the email. Go to my website at www.prep.gmat.com and tell me where you are. And regardless of where you are located, I will come down and help you get ready for the GMAT, as long as you make it worth my while. All right. If you wish to get these clips as soon as I upload them on the YouTube, subscribe to my channel, and that way you'll be notified immediately. All right. Thank you.